You ain't gonna do it now?
Yeah, that's where I wanted to move, Simba.
Eric, will you get out of it? Eric, no! Get! Eric! No! Stop it!
Come on. Come on, let's go. Yeah! Come on. Ouch! All right, how about Hillary Clinton for president? Dude, come on. She's going to be the first woman president. All right, Bernie Sanders. Socialism. Everybody gets something free. You don't know? How about Trump? He's got to build a wall. Cruz? He's nice.
Good, Harley, all peaceful and quiet. I'm gonna rip a fart and see how he handled it.